2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid SUV. Porsche presents the most powerful Cayenne of all time. Watch to the end for details. Porsche presents the most powerful Cayenne Turbo electronic hybrid. Available in SUV and Coupe body styles, the new model produces 729 horsepower and offers superior performance and everyday comfort. The Turbo E-Hybrid replaces the previous Turbo. The Vate and E-motor produce 729 horsepower and 700 lb/4 system power. New hybrid technology for faster charging and extended electric range. Following the introduction of the third-generation Cayenne earlier this year, Porsche is expanding its range with a new variant. As in the previous generation of models, the most powerful Cayenne is equipped with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. With the new Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid, Porsche has further improved hybrid technology and significantly increased range and electric power for both everyday comfort and productivity. 174 HP electric motor supports an updated 4-liter turbo V8 with 591 HP. Combined, the total power of the system is 729 HP and 700 Nm torque. The resulting performance reflects the Cayenne's ambition to become a sports car among SUVs. The Turbo E-Hybrid accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in 3.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of 183 mph. Compared to its predecessor, the new Cayenne E-Hybrid models feature a significantly larger high-voltage battery 25.9 kW, located under the boot. The new built-in 11 kW charger reduces charging time to less than 2.5 hours with a suitable wall box or charger, despite the increased battery capacity. Air suspension with 2-chamber and 2-valve technology as standard. The new Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid models include an adaptive air suspension system that features new 2-chamber, 2-valve technology as standard. This allows separate adjustability of both compression and rebound settings. The advantages of this setup are an improvement in comfort and handling and expanding the breadth between the Comfort and Sport Plus settings of the system. The suspension aims to combine precise handling during spirited driving with a comfort-oriented setup when cruising and the best possible reduction of dive and squat motions when accelerating and braking. Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus PV Plus is also included as standard on the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid. Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control PDC, as well as rear axle steering, can be ordered as options at an extra cost. The Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid models complement their high level of power and chassis upgrades with distinct styling cues. Both body styles feature a turbo-specific front fascia with larger air intakes and air blades kept in high gloss black. The wheel arches as well as the lower rear fascia are painted in body color, underscoring the performance-oriented look. Further model-specific accents include 2 dual exhaust tailpipes made of brushed aluminum and red brake calipers. Inside the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid, aluminum trim on the dash and doors, as well as a roof liner and race text generate a sporty ambience. Standard equipment encompasses a heated GT Sport steering wheel with a switch to select the preferred drive mode, as well as 18-way adjustable leather sport seats. Alternatively, 14-way adjustable leather comfort seats can be selected as well. Extensive standard features. The new Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid also benefits from all the upgrades introduced on the 2024 Cayenne models earlier this year. This includes the newly designed HD Matrix design LED headlights, a more powerful 15-watt air-conditioned induction charging pad, a digital instrument cluster with a curved and freestanding design that offers multiple settings for information and comfort access, all as standard. Availability and pricing. The new Turbo E-Hybrid is the second of 3 hybrid models for the Cayenne that Porsche will introduce this year. The Turbo E-Hybrid models can be ordered now and are expected to reach US dealers in Q2 2024. The Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid has an MSRP of $146,900, not including the $1,650 delivery, processing, and handling fee, while the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid Coupe has an MSRP of $151,400. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.